Are you tired of ruining perfectly good steaks on flimsy campfire grates while sweating over unpredictable flames? Today, we are upgrading your outdoor cooking game forever with the ultimate portable camping grills. But stick around until we reach our number one pick, because its innovative design completely blew my mind and changed the way I think about cooking on the go. Seven. Traeger Grills TFT18 KLD. When I first took this unit out for a weekend trip, I was genuinely excited about the prospect of having a true smoker in such a small package. The range of features a built-in meat probe, a digital arc controller for precise temperature management, and an included cast iron griddle, which adds a lot of versatility for morning breakfast cooking. The build quality is undeniably robust, with a heavy-duty construction that feels like it can survive being tossed around in the back of a truck for years. The baffled lid design with secure latches is a nice touch, keeping the grill tightly closed during transport. Cooking on it initially feels like a luxury, as the automated pellet system feeds the fire perfectly to maintain the temperature you set, much like its full-sized backyard siblings. However, that robust build quality translates into a significant portability issue, as this grill is shockingly heavy for its footprint. Weighing in at over 60 pounds, hauling it from the car to the picnic table is a genuine chore that left me questioning its portable designation. Unless you are tailgating right next to your vehicle, you are not going to want to carry this thing across a campground or down a hiking trail. Another major hurdle I experienced during my testing is its sheer power consumption and dependency on electricity. To use this grill, you absolutely must have access to an AC outlet, a generator, or a high-capacity portable power station, which completely ruins the off-grid, rugged camping experience. If you are boondocking in the middle of nowhere without a massive battery supply, this grill essentially becomes a very heavy, useless metal box. 6. BioLite FirePit Plus. The concept here is incredibly futuristic, utilizing an integrated fan system powered by a rechargeable battery pack to inject air into the fire, promoting hyper-efficient combustion. During my initial setup, I was fascinated by the companion smartphone app that allows you to control the fan speed via Bluetooth, which is an undeniably cool campsite trick. The versatility of being able to burn either standard firewood or charcoal gives you some great flexibility depending on what you have available at the campsite. The included grill grate sits securely on top, transforming the pit into a cooking surface large enough to handle a family-sized portion of burgers or hot dogs. When the fan is cranked up to the max, the fire gets incredibly hot very quickly, making it great for boiling water in a cast iron pot or getting a rapid sear on some steaks. Despite these high-tech features, using the BioLite FirePit Plus strictly as a cooking tool revealed some significant shortcomings during my hands-on testing. The main issue is that the heat distribution is incredibly uneven, largely dictated by where the fan jets are blowing the most air inside the chamber. I found myself constantly shuffling food around the grill grate to prevent the center items from turning into charcoal while the edges remained completely raw, which made cooking a stressful, high-maintenance affair. Additionally, while it claims to be smokeless, that is only true once the fire is perfectly established and the wood is bone dry. During the ignition phase, or if you toss on slightly damp campground wood, the powerful fan can actually whip up a massive cloud of smoke directly into your face before the secondary combustion kicks in. The battery pack, while removable and able to charge your phone, is just another thing you have to remember to charge before your trip, adding an unnecessary layer of battery anxiety to a simple camping weekend. 5. Weber Q1200. Unboxing and setting up this grill is an absolute breeze, and right away you can feel the signature Weber quality in the cast aluminum lid and body. It operates smoothly on standard 1-pound liquid propane cylinders, making fuel management incredibly straightforward without the need to carry heavy charcoal bags or messy wood pellets. The cooking experience on the Q1200 is outstanding for its compact size, thanks primarily to the porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates. These grates hold heat beautifully and create those perfect, professional-looking sear marks on steaks and chicken breasts that we all strive for. The single stainless steel burner puts out 8,500 BTUs, and I found that it heats up the interior quickly and evenly, with almost no noticeable cold spots during my extended cooking sessions. One of my absolute favorite features of the Q1200 is the inclusion of the two folding side tables. When you are cooking at a campsite, prep space is always at a premium, and having these sturdy little tables to hold a plate of raw patties, your tongs, and a bottle of barbecue sauce is a total game changer. They conveniently fold neatly inside the grill when it is time to pack up, maintaining a highly portable and slim footprint. The built-in lid thermometer is highly accurate, allowing you to monitor the internal temperature without constantly opening the grill and letting all the precious heat escape. I tested it by roasting a thicker cut of pork loin, and being able to confidently dial in the temperature with the infinite control burner of a valve meant the meat came out juicy and perfectly cooked to the center. It provides a level of control that easily rivals full-size backyard gas grills. For Coleman RoadTrip 285. The moment I wheeled this out for a tailgating event, I appreciated its integrated collapsible stand design. You do not need a picnic table or a tailgate to set this up. It simply unfolds with a step and lift motion, providing you with a sturdy, freestanding grill that sits at a comfortable, ergonomic cooking height. What sets the RoadTrip 285 apart from the competition is its impressive 3-burner system, which is an absolute rarity in the portable grill market. Pumping out a massive 20,000 total BTUs, this grill offers incredible temperature control with 3 independently adjustable burners. During my tests, I was able to sear burgers on high heat in the center while simultaneously gently toasting buns on the cooler outer edges, giving me unparalleled zone cooking capabilities. The cooking area is wonderfully expansive, offering 285 square inches of cast iron grilling space. You can easily feed a family of 4 or a hungry group of friends without having to cook in multiple tedious batches. Furthermore, Coleman offers interchangeable swap-top cooktops for this model, allowing you to swap out the standard grill grates for a griddle or stove grate, which I found incredibly useful for making pancakes and eggs the morning after a heavy barbecue. Portability is managed brilliantly through its suitcase-style folding mechanism and rugged, all-terrain wheels. Once it is collapsed, you can pull it along behind you exactly like rolling luggage, which makes navigating grassy parks, gravel paths, or sandy beaches surprisingly effortless. The dual sliding side tables provide ample room for prep, and the integrated thermometer ensures you are always deeply aware of what is happening under the hood. Three, Z Grill's 200 APRO. Unlike our earlier pellet grill contender, the Z Grill's model manages to keep the overall weight manageable at around 40 pounds, making it a much more realistic option for genuine camping trips. From the moment I fired it up, I was blown away by the rich, authentic, smoky aroma it produced, immediately elevating the entire campsite ambience. The core strength of the 200 APRO is its set it and forget it convenience. You simply fill the 8-pound hopper with your favorite hardwood pellets, dialing your desired temperature on the digital control board, and the automated Auger system beautifully takes care of the rest. I spent an afternoon slow smoking a rack of ribs at 225 degrees, and the grill held that temperature with remarkable stability, freeing me up to enjoy the outdoors instead of babysitting a fussy fire. The 202 square inches of cooking space is surprisingly accommodating, easily fitting a couple of whole chickens or a large brisket cut. The porcelain-coated grates are non-stick and extremely easy to wipe down after a messy, sauce-heavy cook. It brings authentic wood-fired barbecue capabilities deep into the wilderness, allowing you to bake, roast, braise, smoke, and grill all from one highly compact device. While it does still require a power source to run the Auger and internal fan, its power draw is incredibly efficient compared to the competition. During my rigorous testing, I ran it flawlessly off a small, lightweight portable power station for hours without draining the battery significantly, making it entirely viable for off-grid adventures. The suitcase-style handle makes carrying it relatively painless, and the latching lid keeps all the internal components secure during bumpy transit. Two, Weber Traveler. The engineering on this product is simply spectacular, utilizing a scissor cart design that allows the entire unit to collapse down flat with just one hand. The smooth, hydraulic-like folding mechanism meant that I could go from a fully standing, ready-to-cook grill to a flat package ready for the trunk of my car in under 3 seconds. The cooking surface is massive for a portable unit, boasting 320 square inches of space on heavy-duty, porcelain enameled cast iron grates. When I hosted a large campground cookout, I was able to fit over a dozen burgers and a row of thick sausages simultaneously, drastically cutting down on my active cooking time. The single high-efficiency burner is engineered to distribute heat incredibly evenly across this large surface, ensuring everything finishes cooking at the exact same time. One of the standout features I noticed immediately during testing is the sheer efficiency of its gas consumption. The Weber Traveler is optimized to sip propane from a small 1-pound canister while still providing a wide temperature range, from a gentle low heat for delicate fish to a roaring high heat for searing thick steaks. You get significantly more cooking time per canister compared to standard portable grills, which means carrying less fuel and saving money in the long run. The build quality is everything you expect from a premium brand with a sturdy metal frame, rugged all-terrain wheels that roll effortlessly over dirt and rocks, and a heavy lid that traps heat efficiently. The large side table offers excellent real estate for food preparation, and the built-in tool hooks are a thoughtful touch that keeps your spatulas and tongs off dirty ground surfaces. 1. NOMAD Grill and Smoker. The very first time you see this grill, it looks like a rugged, high-end tactical briefcase. But opening it up reveals a masterclass in thermodynamic engineering and industrial design. It is built from lightweight aircraft-grade aluminum, making it stunningly durable while remaining effortlessly easy to carry in one hand to your final destination. The true magic of the NOMAD lies in its advanced thermal architecture. The multi-layer construction features a specialized exterior heat sink design that keeps the outside of the grill incredibly cool to the touch, even when the inside is blazing hot with glowing charcoal. I was actually able to place this grill directly on a wooden picnic table and a plastic tailgate during my testing, and it never transferred any damaging heat to the surfaces below, which is a revolutionary safety and convenience feature. The cast stainless steel cooking grates are undeniably the best I have ever used on any portable grill anywhere. They are heavily domed for structural rigidity, providing magnificent sear marks, and they act as a massive thermal battery to retain heat perfectly. Out of the box, it operates beautifully as a closed smoker with one grate, where you can purchase a second grate to double your cooking area to a staggering 425 square inches when used in open grilling mode. Airflow control on the NOMAD is brilliantly simple yet highly precise, utilizing slider vents on the sides that allow you to dial in your temperatures for a low and slow overnight smoke or a raging hot charcoal sear. The integrated bimetal thermometer in the lid is highly accurate, giving you complete confidence during long, delicate cooking sessions. Using high-quality charcoal briquettes, I was amazed by how little fuel it required to maintain a rock-solid, consistent temperature for hours on end. Outro. That's all for today.